Look at the beauty I've got here today. I don't know the year yet, but this is a 46A serial number D8H. If we can get it going here, we're gonna take it home with us. We're gonna have to get that crusty carburetor off of there and get that thing cleaned up post-haste. Luckily enough, these bolts are just coming right free. We got a jump pack hooked up here on the starter motor for the pony. See if we can't get anything out of it. It's sparking, so we got something.
That spring's on.
Oh yeah, just arc it out on the solenoid, that's fine.
I think we need to pull that.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to pull that starter.
Sure, we don't.
A little rusty crusty in there. I've seen worse. All the brushes were stuck in on the motor here, so getting those freed up and working again so they make proper contact.
Grab the right side.
They're not spreading very well. Alrighty, after a thorough tailgate rebuild here, I'm feeling confident in our starter's abilities here.
Works good.
It sounds better than it did before.
Better, yeah.
It's still kind of floating, but yeah,
it's gonna
arguably better.
I didn't think you need.
You need pliers in the front.
Yeah. Well, we do have a moving rack now.
Well, I don't know how long the air cleaner's been uncovered here, but it is completely rusted out from getting full of water. So we're gonna take that off of there so that we're not sucking up any junk in the event that this thing does start. I've been soaking and heating these thumb screws here. It's still hot, hold on. There you go. Look at that, huh? Oh, that's nice. It's a literal bird's nest. We got a borrowed starter with a borrowed carburetor. I wish we could just borrow the whole tractor, but we're gonna see if we got some cranky now.
Works good.
Did you try the starter before you brought it?
Didn't work last time I used it.
All right.
That's not sounding promising.
No, that's not sounding good either.
The same thing.
Let's try that forward like it.
Oh yeah. And coming out there, that's when you know it's good.
We have compression because it's blowing.
I can't believe it's turning.
It chugged that water up out of there nicely. All right, well, we got this thing rigged up now. Apparently the engine was full of water and somehow it's still good after it was just -6 for, I don't know, what, 3 days, 4 days. Contact. I'm impressed. It sounds consistent. Throttle. Are you gonna run the throttle?
I'll run the throttle. I think so we don't need the choke in. We need ether in one hand, throttle in the other.
Oh, he's getting interested. Ready?
Yep.
Contact. That's a lot of cranking. All right.
You ready?
Contact. that thing, that makes me a happy guy. It's running good.